Rank.AVG in Microsoft Office Excel. In this video, I will share to you with using Rank.AVG function. For this example, I have list of my student. After the exam, I need to show rank result. Now I use Rank.AVG function. This is my example, and I want to share to you. Now, I remove this result. After, press equals and type Rank.AVG function. Next, open parentheses and click on the first average. After, click Hold Select All Average Score, comma and 0. Next, close parentheses. Press key Enter. Now, check the result here. After, I use Rank.AVG function. You will see that the result show is average value. And check with top score 82. Got number 1, and second is number 2 of 57.33. And other outcome number 3 and 4. Now I explain you that. There are two result is the same score 45 and one more student 45 too. Now I increase the number in this cell. Check please. The result is changed to difference rank. Click on this button to decrease decimal number. In short, if you use Rank.AVG function in Excel, that is show the average number in cell. After, click on this button to short number result. Okay, next video I will share to you how to use Rank.EQ function in Office Excel. Subscribe for more video. Thank you.